Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Princess Monet, and today I'm back with another video. If you guys are new here, please make sure you are subscribed and turn your post notifications on so you're notified every time I post a video. I'm really trying my best to post once a week. I used to post multiple times a week and actually slowed down because I was going to esthetician school. So now that I'm finished with school, I'm actually studying for my test that is in exactly 1 more month. So wish me luck on that. Also, I do a bunch of hair videos, I do vlogs, and many other things. As of lately, follow me on TikTok because I'm almost at 15K, and I'm kind of almost at 6,000 on Instagram. A lot of people have been asking me for a new updated hair tutorial, so that's pretty much what this video is going to be on. If you guys are interested in knowing how I got my hair to be like this, then keep watching. So right now I look a little crazy, right? Correct. You have a lot less breakage when you start taking your knots out while your hair is dry, rather than going in the shower, applying shampoo, and just making your hair more knotted. And then of course starting from the bottom and working your way up to the top. If you start from the top, you're just gonna like push a knot and make it bigger. Definitely when you're in the shower, you lose more hair if you don't take the knots out while your hair is dry. So that's just something that I noticed, and it's a big tip because I used to come out of the shower and legit have like a whole ball of hair every single time. Also later on I'm going to be using a brush like this, like a Denman brush, just because they work really well with the curls. But for now, like taking out the knots, I use a wide tooth comb just for less breakage as well. Okay, so now that all the knots are out of my hair, I'm ready to shampoo and condition. But I just wanted to show you that legit, this is all the hair that came out of my head. And even when I run my fingers through my hair, I don't have that much hair coming out. So that is a major plus. So this is when I go in with my pattern brush, which is just like a Denman brush. And I know you guys saw when I applied the conditioner on my hair, I did also use this brush. So I'm just combing it out one more time. So what I've been doing is splitting my hair into two and brushing. After I do this, I'm turning it, and scrunching it up. So in the back, I actually have to focus a little bit more for the simple fact that my hair is much more straight back here. So I'm just turning it and scrunching it up. So when you get closer, this is the side that I did with the brush. And then on this side, it looks straight. Even when I crunch it, it doesn't look as curly. So the way you brush your hair makes a really big difference. Now another way without using the brush, you can just brush your hair straight or brush it through, take the hair and then finger coil it. So let me just do it all over. You just wrap it around your finger like this and you keep twirling it, and make sure you actually don't forget the bottom. Usually I forget the bottom and it comes out like hella straight, but after you do that, you crunch it. So that is a different type of curl, and I actually do that a lot too because sometimes my hair does get stuck in the brush, like if you don't do it correctly. I actually love using this technique. It goes a little bit smoother when you have like a leave-in conditioner in your hair. My hair is just wet right now. Once you let it go, it looks like that, which is great. So this is a product that I've been loving, Advanced Climate Control, and it says Anti-Frizz Heat and Humidity Gel. It's actually been one of my favorites for the past 2 months. I use about, well, I go in twice. So the first round I go in with about this much, which is not too much. So I actually start from the bottom and I just start scrunching away. Then I put some under here. I just make sure that it's all over, and then when I go in for the second round, I put my head upside down and I start scrunching that way. So take the hair from the bottom, bring it up. Now I'm actually going to take a little bit more. I like to make sure I'm getting my bangs and then pieces of the back. Later on when it dries and I see spots that are a little bit frizzy, I'll actually go back and reapply on the dry hair. It makes a really big difference. So the reason why my bangs look like this is because I've been brushing them a lot lately. So for bangs, I finger coil them to get my shape back. So now that you look like a wet poodle, I suggest you go do your makeup and let your hair air dry for about 20 minutes and then go in with the diffuser. It makes a big difference. It has more volume, which is what I love. I love when my hair is freaking huge. That is my favorite. So that's what I've been doing lately and I've been loving it. What I suggest is if you do not want frizzy hair, do not diffuse your hair upside down. But for now, I'm gonna go do my makeup. Okay, so I'm back and it's actually not 20 minutes later, it's 30 minutes later because I ate a little bit and I did my makeup. So that's just, oh, it's 11:11. Okay, alright, so now I am going in with my Diva Curl Diffuser, which I always use in all my videos that I am doing my curly hair routine. But now that you guys see, this is how it's drying so far. The thing is, I didn't touch it, so it has no volume. Usually I would go in like this if I don't have time to dry it. I really put my hands under to give it the volume at the top, and then I also go in with my pick and start picking it out. And this is just like my curls a little bit up close. So it looks like very hard and crunchy, but it's not. So I really love this because as you can see, it's not frizzy my hair and it looks like it's crunchy, but it actually feels really soft and I love that. So now I'm gonna go in with my diffuser, but instead of going upside down and going like this like I normally would, I just go like this now. So like I was saying before, when you do go upside down, you make your hair frizzier. We're trying to avoid that. Anyway, I have it on medium heat and then I put it on level 2, which is the highest level. Okay, so it's actually been 10 minutes because I made the wish at 11:11, but this is what my hair looks like within the 10 minutes. And to be honest, I'm gonna actually go do it for another 3 to 5 minutes and then I'll be back one more time for like the final look. And I'm gonna go in with the pick as well because like I said, I like my hair extra, so I'll be back in 5 minutes. Hey guys, so 5 minutes later, this is what my hair is looking like. I do notice that it's not as curly on the inside because I didn't put enough product. So my hair can actually be a little bit more curlier than this. So to actually get your hair like with more volume, I go under because this is the part that I don't mind to be frizzy, like right under the hair. So as I'm picking, I do push it up and give it like a brush up. I'm not just like stabbing my hair. That's not going to do anything. You have to push it up like this as you're doing it. So I do that really quickly and that adds a lot of volume to the hair. I don't like when the top of my hair is like hella flat. It does not, that just doesn't do it for me. So I definitely make sure that under is super puffy. Okay, so right now you can see the difference. I focus on this side of my hair and now I'm going to pick up this side and go under. And you see, if you see the difference. Mind you, this is just a preference thing. If you guys like the way that it looked before, then of course go out like that. Some people do not like their hair to be like super huge, but that's not me. I'm giving very much Mean Girls. My hair is full of secrets. That's why it's so big. Yeah, now it's coming together. Whew. Done. And my camera's about to die, so right on time. Perfect timing. Let me just fix this. So after that product, I do usually go in with the Marc Anthony Mousse and like spice it up a little bit more. Since I'm not going anywhere, I'm not going to add that into my hair and like waste that product right now. But it's definitely a good touch, and it does make my hair last a little bit longer. It's like an extra layer, but it doesn't do too much. So like I said, this is the final look. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys liked the way my hair came out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to turn your post notifications on so you're notified every time I post a video. Love you guys, and see you in my next one. Bye.